Hi guys, dito tayo ngayon sa town. Manood tayo ng sine, Godzilla versus King Kong. Pasok kami sa aming paboritong shop. Say that again. Speedmaster, a Rolex one. Gonna buy one. Daddy Ro, bibili daw siya ng Rolex watch. Guys. Sunny siya, pero naulan. Yan. Is it over there? He's looking for watch in the Rolex shop. Daan natin din yung mga makeup shop. Ay, Chanel. Pink. Madamit. Ay, ganda. Sarap mamili. It's really up there.
Needs a haircut tomorrow after school. Just goes messy.
Hanap kasi kami guys ng wall lights para sa aming bedroom. So dito tayo sa John Lewis. Ay, I like this one. Sarap po nito. Oh. Ay, nako. Yung mga fur ba nito. Napakalambot. Napakalambot nila. Kaya ang sarap. Ito yung amin sa baba. Ito yung amin sa bed namin. Throw pillow. Ganda din itong kulay. Oh. Sarap. Katawan. Ito yung mga ilaw nila. Ayan, yung mga wall lights nila. Gaganda. Yun oh. So, yung aking mag-ama. So, pili tayo dito kung ano yung maganda. This one, oh, I like this one, but it's kinda over the top. 100 pounds. Yeah. I like only like the square one or like the one that I showed you last time, which is like just stick to the wall. Wala silang masyadong option guys, kaya no? Pero ito mga ilaw nila, chandelier, oh. Ang gaganda. Pero wall lights lang ang kailangan namin. We don't need a chandelier. Ganda naman ang mga lights na ito, oh. Oh, there it is. Marami pala sila. Oh yeah, that one eh. Didn't see that. That one eh. So marami pala dito, oh. Hindi ko nakakita. Oh, like that one. That one is nice. Too fancy.
Oh no, I'll keep it plain.
Ano? But I like the one eh. The one in white eh. The white.
This one.
That one, yeah. Or that one actually, this nice. Yeah. 30 quid.
No, 50.
Oh, 50. Okay lang ka after this, my love, okay? Huh?
That's too big.
It is big, actually, it is big, yeah. For only one, that one. But we need two, both sides. I think we just want a small one. Oh, there's more in here actually. There's more in here, Dad. Oh my God. Ito yung gusto ko, guys. Oh. Nice, Dad, oh. Or salve. What?
It's girly, isn't it?
Well, I am a girl.
Yeah, well, you got to think of everyone.
Oh, come on, love. Stop being boring. So, ito guys. Ang dami nilang option din. Oh, this one. Ito yung mga gusto ni Daddy Rob lang. Oh, yung mga simple. Simple na mga boring stuff. I like in white though. That one will do. That one, yeah.
Well, that one?
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Nice though?
You can get them
Did you like it?
You can get them in Screwfix for $20 like that.
Oh, is it?
Going outdoors.
Oh, outdoors. No wonder. Diba, ang ganda ng mga ano nila dito. Pero ang mamahal, grabe. Sobrang mahal. Parang pag sa labas, binili mo lang yan, mga mura. Dito parang double price. So, diba? Gaganda, oh. Pag pumunta ka sa mga shops, guys, Diyos ko, nakakalola yung mga bilihin. Oh, I love this one, oh. For 125 pounds. Habang nagsha-shopping tayo dito, yan yung view. Kasi parang mataas itong building. So, yan yung view. So, tapos dito tayo. Meron din dito sa kabila. Ang aking anak dito talaga, paborito niya ito dito. Oh, yes, yeah, yun, diba guys, ang ganda ng view niya, oh, kitang-kita. So, that is yan sa taas, yan sa baba. Diba, ang ganda. So, may nagustuhan kami guys, what is like wall lights, pero it's out for outdoor siya. So, I think we're going to have a look somewhere else na medyo mura-mura siya. Kasi dito, mahal talaga guys. Kasi ang gaganda naman talaga. But they're all made in China. So, hindi naman kailangan mahal guys. Kasi parehos lang sila ng quality. Dahil may time pa rin tayo na manood ng cinema. So, dalhin ko muna yung anak ko maglaro ng Lego sa taas. Samahan nyo kami guys. Oh, makulit. Yun yung Lego sa taas. Ayan yung baba. Ito dito, yun sa kabila, yung view. Gaganda talaga guys. Ay. Ito yung taas. Mga pambata dito sa taas. So, yung anak ko, ito, gustong maglaro ng Lego. So, ayan siya. Laro siya ng Lego. Din doon yung kainan. May restaurant din doon if you wanna eat. Yun oh, that's made of Lego. Yan, kung gusto nyo, bilhan yung mga anak nyo ng Barbie. Yan. Tapos doon yung mga pang baby stuff ng mga pram nandun. So, that's it. Ito bike made of Lego. Yan, made of Lego. And Creed. Maganda yung ano ng Creed. Ang gusto ni Daddy Rob na watch, 7,600 pabili sa akin. So, mayaman ko. Mayaman ako para bilhin ko yan. Manood na tayo ng ating movie. Yay! Here we are. We're here to IMAX. IMAX what, love? What number? Daming tao. Daming tao manood, oh. Daming manood. Tayo papasok sa IMAX 12. Ito yung view. Kape muna tayo guys bago tayo pumasok kasi may time pa naman. So dito Godzilla. I-12. It's like So, tapos na kaming manood ng King Kong, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.